Nicolehyala, Hyala, 21, Philippines.
Naks! And I'm Mommy Nicole Hyala. And today, what are we gonna do, babe?
We're going to open the For Real Pets in Quarantine.
For real pets in quarantine?
Yeah.
While we are on quarantine.
Yeah.
There, so we're unboxing this. So, nandito po kami ngayon sa... Where are we, babe? Play! Where are we, babe? Sa bahay. What? Where are we, babe?
Play.
1, 2, 3. Play! 1, 2, 3. Playroom! Yan. So, nandito po kami sa playroom po ni Princess
And Prince.
Prince. Kaya lang...
We have them. Mom, can you read the instructions right here in the box?
Yun. So, merong Espanyol, merong hindi. So, nakasulat the comb over, the mohawk, and the reverse mohawk. So, these are the styles that you can do with this for real na pet. Okay? So, let's open it! And, isang tip ha, papaalala ko lang po yung tip. Now, whenever you open toys, it's important that you do not destroy the box. Para kung magsawa na po sila sa paglalaro, you can return the toy inside the box.
And did you know, guys, you already said that in one video.
Yes, I'm going to say it in all the videos. And what if they don't get to watch the other video? So at least they know now. Okay, so inside this is the
Where's the scissors?
scissors is at the back lang. So ito po siya. So pwede mo siyang, ito yung
Guys,
razor.
guys,
Pwede mo siyang,
Guys, the eyes are like real.
oh, careful. So remember, kapag gamit pa ng gunting ang kids, adult supervision is needed. And mommy help is needed. Oh.
It's so hard.
Kasi babe, bibo ka eh.
What's a bibo? May tatlong bibe ako nakita. Mataba, mapaya sa mga bibe.
Yan. So this is the razor. Ay, aray ko, babe.
Here, look, you press this button.
Ooh! So ang tunog niya para talagang razor. Go. Oh. So now, kakastiguhin na po natin itong asong to.
But the question is, what is the name?
What would you like the name to be? Can it be...
Brownie.
No, ang corny naman ng brownie. Ang bago na... I know. Let's call it Quara for quarantine.
No,
Huh? Let's call it Corona.
that's better.
Oh, what do you want?
I want brownie.
Eh? Yung brownie, Princess, pangalan niya na lahat ng aso sa Pilipinas, brownie. Brownie, whitey, blackie.
Like vanilla.
What if, no, it's real pala, babe. Tapos na-razor yung kilay mo. Oh my God. Ay, babe, tanggal. Yung kilay mo.
No.
Oo! Halak.
You're joking.
I'm not joking. Bakit mo inano?
Wow. I don't.
Princess, don't look. You're going to cry, I'm sure.
No.
Kinabahan. Kinabahan.
Ikaw naman.
Wala naman akong kilay eh. Ang tawag dyan ay drenowing na kilay.
So yours is.
You got scared.
No. At least mine is the darker.
Oh, what's that? I don't understand what you're talking about. Na 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 na, mommy pranked you, mommy pranked you.
Guys, it's not even April Fools. It's past it.
Oh. Wait lang. Hala, what will happen, babe, kung na-razor mo yung hair ni mom?
Then I'll laugh at you.
You laugh at me? Nangyari ko pa eh.
I didn't tell you. I was about to prank you.
May tunog, si bakala. Paano?
Anong bakla?
Joke lang. That's just an expression. Okay, game.
It's like my monkey.
It's cute. Wait lang, baby. Oh, may tunog siya.
Like this.
So cute. Wait lang, babe.
I'll cut your hair.
I know you're super excited, pero sobrang effort po itong Parang ayaw niya po magpakita, guys. Wait lang. Wala, naputol ko yung paa. Just kidding. You know what? May story na ganun. So, I saw that video. It was a trending video.
What's trending? What's trending?
A lot of people shared it and a lot of people watched it. So, it's about a dog that...
It's a puppy? A real?
Yeah, real. Tapos, the one taking care of it, left it in the road, by the road, because so kawawa, because it had 3 legs.
Aww.
But, nung nag-trend yung video, a lot of people wanted to adopt the dog.
What's adopt?
Adopt. Take care of it. Treat it as if it's their own. Corona! Kasi naman yung aso, guys. Let's name it Corona or Sneezer. Because I sneezed when I opened it.
No.
What?
Of course not. Let's name it Brownie.
Ang corny naman ng brownie. Ah, I know. It's caramel brown. So let's name it Caramel.
Fine, caramel.
Yan.
No cotton candy.
Caramel na. Oh, how does caramel work? How do you bark?
Wait, let's style the hair.
Yan. So, ang point talaga nito is you style the hair. So, yan. So, pwedeng ang style is ganyan. Di ba kanina, it was up. Okay, that's style number 1. How about dito sa kanyang kinemero?
Kinemuru.
So, ito po yung magandang bonding moment. Meron nga nagtanong sa akin nung minsan kung ano daw yung mamimiss ko pag natapos na yung lockdown. I guess what I would really miss is yung sobrang medyo petiks mode. You can wake up ng hindi sobrang aga. And then, of course, time with Princess.
But that's what we're doing in quarantine.
Yes, bonding!
And guys, this is how you make the puppy.
Paano panunugin? Ayaw na.
Ah! Ano ba to?
How ba?
Ah, bakit?
Alam ko na i-pet it. Hoy. Hoy. Oh, wait lang.
Ah, a big. I did it.
Oh.
It's like this. And guys, you did not see because if it's furry fur, there is a little tongue.
Ah, cute.
Tongue.
So, yan. You can style it na. Pwede ding pa-up.
Oh guys, we're not ending the video yet unless we see we'll have a making contest. We'll have a hair contest, Mommy.
What to?
A contest. Who styles the best?
Okay, you go first. Go.
Okay, wait. But we have to choose one of the styles right here. This. The comb over.
Okay, go.
How do you do the comb over? Oh, I know how to do it. You just have
Oh, go.
messy hair.
Don't care. Messy hair, don't care.
No.
Style in 20 seconds.
You're so Daya. I'll
No.
give you 30.
Okay, I'll give you 30 also. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22.
Done.
Huh? Yay! So, yan yung style ng kay Princess. Now, it's my turn. Okay, this is mine. Wow, di ba? May pa ganon. Oh. Oh, so, kayo na po ang mag-judge.
Make something with that.
Di ba?
Mom.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna fix it.
No, I think nice yung the one that we did na up siya. Oh, di ba?
Guys, you judge who's better, mine or mom's.
Mag-comment na kayo sa comment section.
And
Ayan.
subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope you like our videos. And guys, I think you should pick the name.
Caramel is okay.
No. Okay, fine. Caramel.
Bye!
Bye.
Always your number one. SM Radio Station. Love Radio.